Hi guys, welcome back to another one. And today we'll be doing all my setups for this week, all the pairs that I will be um trying to trade for this week. And before I begin, this is not financial advice, this is just my perception of the market. Alright, that being said, let's go. Alright, I'll begin with JPY. Oh, good. Oh, sweet, can you see? All right, so cat JPY. So we're on a monthly. So we can basically see the price is at resistance, resistance here and here, over here, resistance everywhere. We have a support right about here, and we're not interested in this one. This one is too far away, so let's focus on this little area for now. On the weekly, so we can see the support a little bit better. So we have huge rejection right about here. On the daily, bullish trend, price. I'm not too. I'm not really a fan of this type of trend line when we have this huge. I like to see the trend line like like we have low I, low I, but not this, but whatever. So we know that the support is valid, and we have to take note of it. So state that onto the H4. So H4 bearish trend. No, we probably can have this bullish trend line. Right, let me remove it. So because I have it on the H1. So H1. Let me adjust this. So let me adjust this. So I have price basically converging right from right about here. For me, if I get a break above this point without price going below this point, it would actually be saying to me that the bullish trend will continue because the market would have made a higher high. And if I get a break below this point without price going above this point, it would actually be saying that this bullish trend line has been breached, and I would definitely want to be in this. So that's it for CJ. Very simple one. Moving on to Swiss JPY. So we have bullish trend. Yeah, bullish trend, nice trend. So, and also remember where we're on the trend we are. So this is on the weekly. So remember the pattern, as in the structure that you were seeing, that we're actually seeing on the weekly. So daily for me, let me adjust this a little bit cleaner. Perfect. So we have, so remember this is a main trend line, right? Price found support, started going up. So we're anticipating, so well, we'll see if price will actually break this high. We should be, we should, on the weekly would look like break of the high. So should mean um bullish trend will continue, but let's see. So daily we had a little bit of um we had a, we would call that descending channel. We got a breakout, so whoops. H4, well, bullish, right? Um, and H1, I have a minor bullish trend line. So for me, I would I would gladly or happily risk. This would be a 31 pip risk. So, hello, I am not, this now. My bias is actually bullish. So, I'm more expecting the break to go up this side. So, if I get a break of this high, without price going below this point, I'll take the buy. But if I get a break below this point, the price going above here, I will take a sell. But I would be very aggressive in managing the sell, right? Because my bias is bullish. All right. All right, moving on to EJ. So EJ price basically at, let's say, support, resistance, sorry. So resistance everywhere. Um so we have a bullish trend here. Price broke the bullish trend and found some support. So let's see if we get downwards movement, I think that would be confirming that maybe it's time for the bears to take over. But if we get a continuation up here, the bulls will still um be in charge. Alright, so we have bearish trend. Alright, nothing to fancy. So for me, we have bearish trend. So price basically found support at the bearish trend line. And then we have bullish trend line. And price is basically finding support on the trend line. So this area is very, for me, is a critical area. So if I get a break above here, I would buy. Get a break down here, I would sell. So there we go. So remember, this is a bullish trend line. So if I get a break below this point without price going above here, I would sell. And if I get a break here without price going below here, I would buy. And looking at this structure, if I get a push up from here, from down here to this point, I would also be interested in taking a buy right at this area with maybe a stop loss of right below here. All right. So yeah, simple one. But this is the one I'm truly waiting for break of this eye. But I would also take a position right here if it happens. All right. UJ monthly. So this this region. So I'm waiting for price to move away from this area. So price broke the bullish trend line, came back and found support. Um, we have a bullish trend on the weekly, seeing it clear on the daily. Bullish trend price broke the bullish trend line, found resistance at the back of a trend line, and it found resistance at that previous resistance here. H4 for me. So we have this region which is bearish, and then price broke bearish trend line and then started a new bearish trend. So we are waiting to see if price will probably break this trend line and then probably start to form a new bearish trend, or price will continue down. So for me, if I get a break above this point without price going below here, I would gladly take it. And many would actually see this as a inverted head and shoulder. So head, left shoulder, right shoulder. So if I get a break above here, I'm saying that it's a head and shoulder. And if I get a break below here, yeah, beers and control. But yeah, simple setup. GJ price basically at resistance. Can probably disable this. Alright, so huge pullback, huge rejection here. So whenever you would see like catapult movement up to that side. Let's see. Weekly. Can maybe adjust this trend line. Take it off. Let me hide this. So support, huge rejection, support, previous resistance. That's key piece of information there. Let me hide this. So we have support, bearish trend. Bearish trend. The price should actually be at price should actually be at the bearish trend line. Let's see what's happening. Maybe we could put this on H1. And this is a bearish trend. Price broke the bearish trend line. So we have bullish trend. Price broke the bullish trend line. Started going down. So for me, if I get a break below this area without price breaking above this area, I will take a sell. And if I get a break above this area without price going below this area, I will take a sell. So break above here without breaking here, I would buy. Break below here without price breaking above here, I would sell. Simple one. Euro New Zealand monthly, and remember this is the new month. So a little bit of bullish pour right there. So bullish. All right, we are bullish upon so here. So this is basically bullish. All right, so wait for we have price converging. So for me, if I get a break below here, without price going above here, I will take a sell. If I get a break above here, without price going below here, I will buy. So that's it for Euro New Zealand. This is Euro USD. So price broke the bearish trend on resistance, started going up. Found support, sorry, started going up, came back down to support, started going up again, found resistance at the same area, came back down, basically the same support here. So a lot of things happening there. So let me see, we'll probably get maybe a push up like this, but that is possible because it's basically at the support here. So bullish, bullish, and then we have some sideways movement here. Daily, me adjust this. So price broke. So we had a bearish trend right about here, and now we have a bullish one. H4. H4 surprise. Bullish trend was started here, then price broke the bullish trend line, started going down. So here we have, for me, if I get a break below this point without price going above here, I will take a sell. And if I get a break above here without price going below here, I'll take a buy. Moving on to GU. So yeah, so GU basically price is at On the monthly price is at resistance basically. So we're actually in a bullish trend right about here. Bullish trend, price broke the bullish trend line, found support at the previous support area, which was on the bullish trend line. So this is not enough for you to say that this is a bullish trend has been started. So because this we could easily see price push up to break this high, which actually means that the bullish trend will continue. Daily, you're seeing a little the bearish trend a little bit clearer, as in H4 bullish trend line, fine. H1, yeah. So I'm a little bit skeptic, but I'll still say this. So if I get a break below here, without price going above here, I will take a sell. Um, and so, and for me, so let's say I get a break right below this point, right? This would mean to me that the bearish trend, a bearish trend has started, right? So we have a little, we have a high drop, then maybe a little pull up, then break, right? But even if price should reverse, I would say see price getting a little bit of resistance at the back of this trend line. So in the reason why I would actually be not afraid to take a sip break below this point. Um and to, yeah, so this is GBP New Zealand monthly. So bullish, and then price broke the bullish trend line. Found resistance at the back of the trend line. So we have bullish push here, closer. Yep. So price basically going up, but in a wedge, a triangle. So let's see. Closer we have bullish trend right here, and huge rejection can go right at the trend line. So for me, I would gladly take a break above this high. If so, if price stays above this area but breaks this area, I would take a buy. Simple one. On to New Zealand USD monthly resistance all over. Support right about here. Maybe price would convert a little. Um, H daily. So we're seeing the support here. So we have a little bullish trend right here. So low I, higher low, higher I. Let's see if we'll probably get breakable here. So on H1, if I get a break below here, the price going above here, I will take a sell. Onto USD space. So monthly bearish trend, weekly still bearish trend. Still not sure what's happening here. Bearish trend on the daily. Bearish trend. Yeah, so for me, if I get a break above here, this high, without price going below this point, I will take a buy. If I get a break below here, without price breaking above here, I will take a sell. Very simple one on USD Swiss. It's 30 monthly, so my bias is basically bullish, but as usual, I will take whichever break I get. All right, so weekly price seems extremely bullish. All right, so price has been struggling to go below this area. So huge rejection, 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 rejection. So it's basically bullish. Yeah, let me hide these. Display them on the H4 only. So nice bullish structure right here. Here, so price basically in a little channel. So for me, if I get a break above here, the price going below here, I will take a buy. So we could probably draw this for you to see it a little bit clearer. So break above this point, it actually means that price would have breached this bearish trend line. So I would be bullish at that point. So break above here, without price going below here, I would take a buy. And if we get a break below here, without price going below here, I would take a sell. So simple one on this 30. There's any goal, yeah. So this is goal H1. I was thinking about this, so no longer valid because it has happened already. So below here, and I get this question a lot, guys. Like some people that ask, let's say, for this setup, I was looking for a break below here, right? And I got the break, but we have a pullback to maybe to this point. Would I actually still be? Would I actually still take that trade? And the answer is no. If I missed break, even if it's in the same area, I almost never use um normal orders. So I always use sell stop on buy stop. So I think I should be in this one. I think I had a sell stop right here, but I don't remember if I placed it before market. Yeah, I think I have one. All right, let's see. So yeah, let the break right about here. Let's see what will happen. So maybe with a stop loss of right here. So that's 71 pip stop loss. Swiss no setup. US CAD. So channel resistance, support. Huge rejection. Bearish trend, bearish trend, bullish trend. Huge rejection. Bullish trend again. Bullish trend. Let me adjust this trend. Bearish trend. Only interested in this now. Each one. So for me, if I get a break above here without price going below here, I will take a buy. If I get a break below here without price going above here, I will take a sell. So break below here without price going above here, I will take a sell. Moving on to Australian USD monthly. So huge rejection right about here. Getting some bearish moves. Weekly, bears are in control. Daily, bearish trend line. H4. Price basically in a channel right here. So it's possible we get a breakout of this channel. Maybe. But let's see. So for me, if I get a break below here without price going above this point, I would take a sell. And if I get a break above here without price going below here, I would take a buy. So that's it for this week. These are the setups I'm looking to take this week. All the best for the week, guys. See you on the next one.